Hey guys, I'm going to do a tutorial today on how to get Slime Rancher the newest update for free. All you have to do is, it's going to take you to Mega. Now once you're at Mega, you're going to just go ahead and if you do have Mega Sync, I prefer using Mega Sync just because how easy it is. Or you can just import it to your file and download it, or you can download it to your browser. This is really simple, and you need WinRAR, which I'm going to put the link in the description of the video as well, to extract the WinRAR file. WinRAR 7. And after that, you shall be left with a folder. Let me go ahead and download it, because I have it, but it's just not on the top. So let me go ahead and download it really quick. And as you guys can probably see, I have 1.5 download megabyte speed, and it is just started. It's the approximate time. You can check the time. I've only been paused for like 2 seconds, but I don't think I really need to pause it. It's so fast, but just for the sake of the time in the video, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. And I hope it does. Okay, the download's just finishing up. The raw file is right there, and it is complete. You can go ahead and close this out, and you will be left with this right here. Now what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and right click on it, and now once you install WinRAR, you shall receive these 4 commands right here, and the only thing you want to press is the last one right here. Now this should vary on your download speed. Normally it takes not too long, especially for such a small file. It shouldn't take long. Okay, so now once you got these 2 files, you can go ahead and open up the first one, and then the smaller file. Now, inside this file, you can see that there is a Slime Rancher executable, and that's all you need. All you have to do is go ahead and start this program as administrator. And I'm not going to do it just because I don't know if my recording's going to get it, but it definitely works. I've tried it before. This video is only for educational purposes. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys think you should. And see you guys in the next one.